Show me.
Na 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 na. Twinkle. Yeah, yeah.
Baby, don't worry.
Here I go again. Another folk song, but my truly cocky bully them with understand. And it not get no better than my man. You are expert, the best in the world. I swear I want to love you every minute. You deserve a baby girl. And you know I can flirt. I someone for know them word. My head get hot more well. So me glad your body juice quench thirst. I'm not innocent, but me just attack my mind, so try not take offense. Jah know me what I like to make a cocky bend again. You know no change, I change, my God, you're full of sins. Run come and make my bless, say if I want repent. Show me the one for suck your dick all when the world end. Grip you with my pussy muscle cause it full of strength. Ready and rock you like a boat on the water bed. So tell me how you feel about that. Let me know what's one. Me ready for carry a mini-me, oh gosh. A regular you bossing on my belly, that's facts. But this time we have to connect it right that. I'm a crazy for you, you're top tier, you a 10. And for tell you the truth, you are my best boyfriend. Love you right through, is a baby me a miss. Pull up outside, make me catch up on the fence. Was sex hard, was sex turn up. Papi, please show your sexy chest, take your shirt up, baby. You took it far, I'll take it further. I put on the exhibit, see me, I tell you straight up. You're more no bigger than your money, that's a turn off. And you surprise me, you're a fast learner. You treat me nice, man, I know what them heard of. You are the right one, that's why I claim you. But just send you a pic, tell me you're looking at it. Make a finger for play, that's sticky the tip. No bother with the FaceTime, run, come here with it.